everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk, VIP. You can also find me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. All with Telly's Talking Chalk. Let me just get this pulled up here. Should turn it down. Share it to some groups. Thank you. There we go. We got a few shares out there. Husband just grabbed me the cloth. So what we are using right here is we are using our pillar stand. The stand is right here. This goes in here. And then there is a screw that goes into here. I don't know if you've seen any of this because of the way that I only see one camera right now. Okay, so this is they come apart, but you put it in like this, and then you're gonna put a screw in here. I just don't have the screws on me right now because we're gonna take it apart. It's fine, I don't need them. I don't, but I didn't need it in the moment. So here is our thing. Today I'm going to do the Imagine and Inspire. I've only actually ever used the Imagine. I've never used the Inspire. But today we're actually going to use both. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap them in the middle and I'm going to put them in two different colors. I won't be fuzzing the one because I've already used it, so I probably have already fuzzed it. The other one I might want to fuzz. I might only do it a couple of times though. So, coming off together. I guess I overlapped them a little bit when oh, did I? No. Okay. I guess I didn't actually cut it. Oh, that was weird. So I'm just going to put this down a couple of times. It's not sticking too hard on here, so that should be good. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put it up just a little higher than I would normally put it. Yes, this is the one I want to do first. I had to think about that for a second. Because we want to put this here. And I'm going to use the darker of the two colors for Inspire. Now make sure that there's no bumps in your silkscreen. If it's underneath the green part, you're fine. But you don't want it under the silkscreen. Now again, you're just taking a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. I might need a little bit more than that, but again, if you get it on the transfer, you can wash it right off. It is removable. Even if you get it on here where you don't want it, you can wash it off. Say if I accidentally slipped, I would just need to take a cloth to it with a little bit of water. Nothing too intense. But I like the idea of doing the overlap, so I thought I would show you that today. I haven't shown that in a long time. Overlap, the layer look is what we normally call it. My lingo today is whatever. I should use the right lingo for the company, but I think honestly everybody uses it differently for that kind of thing. So you're just pulling it down, making sure you got it all. Pretty sure I don't have all that E right now, so I'm just going over it again. Now, because of the heat, it will dry really quick, so you do want to go fairly quick through this part. But the good thing about that, though, is it will help dry it so that you can do your second layer. But if you're doing it on a day that's not so hot and dry, there we go, we're just going to pull this up. Now, again, try to pull as evenly as you can so not to stretch the transfer. Oh, the P needs a little more. There we go. Hold it up like that. The ends look got a little bit of a missing spot, but that's okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my little hot gun, or whatever you want to call it. Go over it just for a minute. You want to do this because when you go to put out the other part, if it's not dry, it will come up still. Even if you've missed a part, because I just see that I'm missing a part of the R, hopefully when we place this second one down, it will go over top of it, so it actually won't even matter. Because you won't really see it because you have the other transfer over top. So let's check that. Sorry guys, I got something in my eye. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay. If you didn't get a chance to come by. Now I want to put this on here, but I don't want it to like go too far over. Let's try there. Oh, let's try a little straighter though. Trying to pull it nicely so I don't pull anything up. Might be a little better. Now we're going to use this berry. Oh, I didn't even tell you which one this one is. This one is Currant Jam. That's the darker one we used. And now this one is the lighter one, and it's berry. I don't think we've used this one yet. I'm going to open it. Again, this is all natural, so opening it with your teeth isn't as bad as most people think it is. It's just using your nails, but I don't have any, so. Okay, so I'm just going to take this with a new squeegee. Push all of this back in here. We don't want to waste any of it if we can help it. Except for any of it that gets on my fingers, because, well, when you're a crafter, that's kind of what it does. Alright, so here, again, just a little bit. And this is even thinner, so we'll use less. So might not even need that much. Again, very simple, just straight on through. Making sure you got all of the silk screen. Put everything back into the jar that you didn't use. And we're just going to put this up. Okay, I could have put it down a little lower, but that's not a problem. Because only really the G overlapped, but... I did to overlap just a bit more than that, but... And there is our finished project. As far as that goes, now I'm going to put it on the stand and put the screw in for you to show you guys how it turned out and how it's going to look at the end of the day. Figure out where the actual mouth. Oh, I think I got it. So there you go. That's how that looks. I'm going to show it on my camera over here. If you like this and want to see more, please come back. I'm here Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 7 o'clock. Oh, sorry, Tuesday and Wednesday. Relax. Tuesday and Wednesday at 7 and 4 o'clock on Thursdays. Sorry, we keep... No. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm doing my one at 4 because we have meetings. So I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, guys.